Hello friends, welcome to my channel RJ Education. Before I had discussed with you all about the human rights, today I am going to discuss with you all about the National Human Rights Commission, function of the commissions, Human Rights Code, status of women, the protections of Human Rights Act 1993. Hope you will enjoy the video. Please watch till last. The central government shall constitute a body to be known as the National Human Rights Commissioner to exercise the power conferred upon and to perform the function assigned to it under this act. The commission shall consist of Number A chairperson who has been a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. Number B, a member who is or has been a judge of the Supreme Court. C. One member who is or has been the Chief Justice of a High Court. D. Two members to be appointed from among his person having knowledge of or practical experience in matters relating to human rights. The chairpersons of the National Commission for Minority, the National Commission for Scheduled Caste, the National Commission for Scheduled Tribe, and the National Commission for Women shall be deemed to be the members of the Commission for the discharge of person specified in Clue B to J of Section 12. There shall be a Secretary General who shall be the Chief Executive Officer of the Commission and shall exercise such powers and discharge such function of the Commission. The headquarters of the Commission shall be at Delhi, and the Commission may, with previous approval of the central government, establish office at other places in India. The National Rights Commission composed of 5 members. Secretary General, who is also the Chief Executive Officer of the Commission, has to perform his function as are delegated to him by the Commission. The chairperson and other members shall be appointed by the President by warrant under his hand and seal. No appointment of a chairperson or a member of the State Commission shall be invalid merely by reason. A person appointed as chairperson shall hold office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he entered upon his office till the age of 70. A person appointed as a member shall hold office for a term of 5 years from the date on which he enters upon his office and shall be eligible for reappointment for another term of 5 years. So now we are going to discuss about the functions of the Commission. The Commission shall perform all or any of the following functions, namely, revive the factors including acts of terrorists that inhibited the enjoyment of human rights and recommend appropriate remedial measures. Undertake and promote research in the field of human rights. Encourage the efforts of non-government organizations and institutions working in the field of human rights. The National Human Rights Commission, headed by a former Chief Justice of India, is a unique expert body in itself. The chairman of the commission, in his capacity as a judges of the High Court and then as a judges of Supreme Court and also as the Chief Justice of India, and so also 2 other members who have held high judicial offices as the Chief Justice of the High Court have throughout their tenure consider, expound and enforce the fundamental rights, are in their own way expert in the fields. So our next important topic is human rights codes and Commission on the Status of Women for the purpose of providing speedy trial of offence arising out of violation of human rights, the state government may, with the concern of the Chief Justice of the High Court, by notifying speedy for each district a court of session to be a human right court to try the said offence. Human right court at the district level are established with the object of providing immediate relief to the aggressee in case there is the violation of human right. Human rights court can only be established by the state government with the concern of the Chief Justice of the High Court concerned. For every human right courts, the state government shall be notification specific a special public prosecutor or appoint an advocate who has been a practice as an advocate for not less than 7 years as a special public prosecutor and for the purpose of concluding cases in that court under section 31. Public prosecutor is to conduct the cases in human rights courts on the behalf of the state government appointed by it. In place of public prosecutor, the state government may also appoint special public prosecutors for having the experience of not less than 7 years as an advocate to conduct proceeding on behalf of the state government. The Commission on the Status of Women has done valuable work for promoting the right of women in political, economic, civil, social and cultural, educational field and in achieving the goal of women having rights equal to those of men. In its 38th century, held at Newark from 8 to 18 March 1994, the Commission considered the issues such as equal pay for work of equal value, women in urban area, and measure to the violence against women. The Commission being also the preparatory body for the Fourth World Conference on Women in Beijing 1995. At its 39th session held at Newark from 15 March to 7 April 1995, the Commission on the Status of Women met as an preparatory body of the World Conference on Women. China considered final details for the draft platform for action. The draft that emerged as a blueprint for women's advancements throughout the world identified 12 critical areas of concern related to the impact of women. They are poverty, education, health violence, armed conflict, economic disparity, proper power sharings and decision making mechanisms to promote the advancement of women. The Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. The Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 is an act to provide for the constitution of National Human Rights Commission, State Human Rights Commission in states and human rights court for better protection of human rights and for matter connected therewith. India is a party to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights and the International Covenant on Economic, Social, Cultural Rights adopted by the General Assembly of the United Nations on 16 December 1966. However, there has been growing concern in the country and abroad about issues relating to human rights. Having regard to the change in social realities and emerging trend in the nature of crimes and violence, government has been reviving the existing law, procedures and system of administration of justice with a view to bring about greater accountability and transparency in them and devising efficient and effective method of dealing with the situation. Thank you friend for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed a lot and you will get a few information regarding this topic. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.